a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here. Please let me know if I am visible and audible, and let me know if you are excited for this live session. So I am looking for your comment in the comment box, and then we will start with today's session. It is going to be very interesting. And okay, so I am live because I have another laptop here. So we are going to solve lot more question today. We are going to solve even the question which is asked in TCS exams earlier. So lot more things we are going to do today in this particular session. Number of questions we are going to solve. But before that, I just wanted to tell you, friends, TCS NQT hiring is out, as you all are aware. 2024, 2025 and 2026 batch are eligible to apply. First time TCS has done this kind of things, so you can say like first time in the history of TCS. So they have allowed like 3 continuous batches together, and they definitely have a plan to hire more number of candidates. Okay, so please do comment if I am audible and visible to everyone, and then we can start solving the question. So very good evening. Okay, some comments I am already getting. Cool. Okay, so very good evening. Okay, all of you. Okay, so today we are going to cover one of the very important topic. So let me go to that slide. Okay, so today we are going to cover the topic percentage. And one thing which I wanted to tell you, friends, percentage is one of the very important topic. I will tell you the reason. See, if you are solving questions from the simplification, percentage itself, profit and loss, ratio proportion, data interpretation, time and work, simple and compound interest, so all important topics now you will find percentage into it. So without percentage, I can tell you, you will not be very good at aptitude. Okay, so these are the percentage cheat sheet which you have to keep in mind. This will make your problem very easy, right? So this will make your problem very easy. So I request all of you to go through this cheat sheet and keep few things in mind, not everything, like 1/3, okay, 1/3, 2/3, at least till this first column. Okay, so 1/3, 2/3. See now 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. So few things you keep in mind, because you will be directly able to use it, like 1/8. Many places you will be getting 1/8. So what is 1/8? So 1/8 is 12.5%, right? So 1/8 is 12.5%. So what will be 12? 2/8? It will be nothing but 25%. So these are the few things which you have to keep in mind, so that your problems will become very easy. Okay, now let us start with question number 1, and I will start 1 minute of the timer. So first I wanted answer from you, and then only I will be solving it here. Okay, so let me start the timer. So online timer. Okay, 1 minute. And now the question is here. Okay, so you have to tell me, so what will be the, how much was his salary increased? So 1 and 2. So basically there are 2 questions are there, 1 and 2. So please let me know the answer for 1 and 2. Okay, and then I will be solving the question. So let me start online timer, 1 minute. The session is going to be very interesting, that I can tell you. So there is no doubt into it. Okay, fine. So let me see how many of you have answered. I have not got still any answer. So please try to answer. See, William monthly salary used to be rupees 1140. So what is William monthly salary? Sir, it is 1140. Recently, his salary increased by 16.66%. Now 16.66% means what? It is 1/6. So that is the reason the percentage cheat sheet no is very important. 16.66% will be 1/6, right? So here, how much was his salary increased? So 1140, and it is increased by 16.66%, 1/6. 19 6 will be 114. So by 190 rupees, his salary has increased. Okay, friends, slowly, the level of the questions will increase. Many of you might be thinking, "Arey sir, these are very basic questions I am able to do." I know you are able to do. Slowly, and once you will start going towards the end, you will not be able to solve the questions easily. Okay, now question number 2. Find his new salary if his salary was increased by 33.33 percentage. So this is one, and second number, find his new salary if your salary was increased by 33.33 percentage. So his salary is 1140 increased by 33.33. So 33.33 will be nothing but 1 by 3, right? Okay. So into 1 by 3. So this is 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 380 rupees. So now his salary will be 1140 plus 380. So it will be what? 0, 8, 4, 12 and 14 plus 1 is 15, 1520 rupees. So the answer for question 2 will be 1520. And one thing friends, here they are asking how much was his salary increased. So his salary increased was 190 rupees. Here he is asking, so what was his salary? What was his salary after it increased by 33.33% new salary? So I need to tell the total value. So don't do this kind of mistakes in the examination, right? Very good. So some of you have already given the answer. Okay, cool. Don't use ChatGPT. You will not be getting the correct answer, right? Okay. So don't use ChatGPT. You will not be getting the correct answer. Okay, fine. Now friends, the next question we will be moving towards, and again I will be giving you 1 minute of the time. This is a simple question. See, I will show you. So once you will start going ahead, right? So you can see the length of the questions, right, will increase. Okay. So some TCS direct questions is here, and see the length of the questions will increase, and even the quality of the questions will be increasing. Okay. Data interpretation is also there. So these are some TCS problem. So slowly we will be able to solve more number of problems. Okay. Anyway, now question number 2, and you have 1 minute of time. Now your time starts now. Very easy problem. Sound nahi aa raha hai. Are you able to get my voice? Because some people are telling that voice is not coming. Class will be recorded. Class will be recorded. Are you able to hear me? Voice is proper? Okay, I am not able to see any answer, guys. Please try and hit a like so that I can bring more and more classes for you if you want more one-shot videos. Okay, so another 17 seconds. So another 17 seconds. Okay, time is up. Friends, one thing in percentage you please keep in mind. If your option is given in terms of percentage, then that problem becomes easy. Not only in percentage. So any topic, like suppose profit and loss, any topic, if percentage option is given, then the question becomes very simple. Now let us try to understand here. So after purchasing 2 copies of the same book, X sold them respectively at 0.8 and 1.4 times their cost price. Okay, so same book, so definitely the cost price will be also same. So I am assuming here 50 and 50. Sir, why are you assuming 50 and 50? What is your problem, sir? You tell me. Every time you will confuse us. 50 50, I want to assume 100. Assume, no, who is stopping you, right? See, your 6 can be my 9, or my 9 can be your 6, but ultimately the answer should be same, correct? Okay, now the here cost price, sir, I am assuming 100. Go sir. Okay, sir, I want to assume 60, I want to assume 70, assume whatever you want, but assume a value so that your calculation will be easy. Now you see the first book, right? The first book was sold at 0.8 of the price, and second book was sold at 1.4 times. So here 50 into 0.8. So 0.8, if you remove 0.10 will come, it is nothing but 40, right? Okay. And this one 1.4 into 50. So sir, this will be 14 into 50 by 100, 1.4. If you remove this, 10 will come, right? So here it will be 70. Now this is my selling price 1, selling price 2. Total selling price is 100 and 110, 70 plus 40, 110, and total cost price is 100. So when your base is 100, it's very easy to tell the percentage. 100 rupees is the base total cost price and total selling price is 110. So 10 rupees profit. If base is 100, you can directly tell, sir, 10%. That's all. So if you will take 60, 70, 80 and all, then gone case. If you will take X, many people will take X and start. X in mathematics and in real life, जहां भी X आएगा, it will screw you. Okay, so you take X only when you are not able to do anything. Then only you take X. Otherwise, okay, you know that. Now here X sold them respectively at 0.8 and X sold them respectively at 1.4 times of the price. So this is 80 and this is 140. Now the total selling price, this is my selling price. So total selling price is, sir, 220 and total cost price is 200. Now friends, as I said, if your base is 100, it is very, very easy for you to solve the question. So what I will do, see, please learn this technique. So you have 200 and you have 220. You want to find the percentage. So try to make it 100. Divide by 2. Divide both by 2. So this is 100 and this is 110. Now you can say, sir, 10 rupees profit or 10% profit, because if your base is 100, that's all, your problem is done. Your problem is solved. Clear? Clear for everyone? Done? So what we did, we took a value, okay, we assumed a value because it is same book, so price will be same. I am free to assume any value of my choice because the option is given in percentage, and that's all was required. And now we are done with this particular problem. We will be moving towards the next problem. Guys, can you please like the video? It takes a lot of effort in bringing the live session, coming live, answering all your queries. Okay, cool. So please do like the video. Don't compromise in liking. I want to bring more and more session. Okay, so before I go ahead, friends, I just wanted to tell you, so for TCS examination, this is not the course promotion. I just wanted to tell you that this is what we are doing. So already we have started with previous year question. You have another 17 to 18 days, and daily we are doing some aptitude, verbal, coding in all 3 languages, reasoning, mock interview, everything we are doing. Marathon classes is going on 1.5 to 2 hours, right? And we have also released this DSA white book available in 3 languages, Java, Python, C++. 800 plus pages are there. It is more than sufficient for your exam. So if you have still not enrolled to this TCS NQT crash course, please go for it. You will never regret, and this is going to give you a job which you are looking from long time. Because YouTube, the classes will be limited, but here we have covered everything: mock test, practice session, daily classes, DSA white book, each and everything is covered. Anyway, I don't want to speak more on that. Okay, so let's move to the next problem. Question number 3. So question number 3 is, okay, question number 3. Okay, so your time starts now. Simple question, you will be able to do. Come on, yaar, everyone try to solve this question. This classes is for you. You have to be active. You have to solve the questions. Okay, the time is up now. So let's see how easily we can solve this. So an engineering student has to secure 25% marks to pass. Sir, I am going to take x. X mat lena. Okay. So x in maths and in real life both will cause trouble. So don't take. An engineering student has to secure 25% marks to pass. So 25% marks to pass. Okay, fine. So this is my passing marks. So this is basically 25% is nothing but my pass marks. Okay, now he gets 47 marks and fail by 43 marks. So he is getting 47 marks, but he is failed by 43. So if I see he is getting 47 marks, but he is failed by 43 marks. If I give him 43 marks, what will happen? He will pass the exam. So he will pass the exam. Now it is passing marks. So 25% is equals to 90. 3, 4, 10 and 90. Sir, percentage is equals to, so this side is percentage and this side is equals to number. What they are asking, what are the maximum marks of the exam? So if you want to calculate maximum marks, will be always 100%. That means I need to make this 100% multiply by 4 this side and multiply by 4 this side. So the total marks is nothing but 360. Just one line of the question, without even pen and paper, you will be able to solve this question if you understand this part, like percentage and values, how it will be equated. That's all. And many of you have given the correct answer. Okay, Ranish, Kishan, right, Lalita, Ankesh, very good. So this is level 1 problems. Okay, we will do today level 2 problem also, and level 3, level 4, maybe in part 2 we will be able to see, right? So different level of the problems we have it here. Very good. So most of you have solved the question now. This is little trickier, but with the help of option attack. There is something called option attack. If in exam option is given and if you don't know the process, no problem here. Option will help you to get the question solved. Now your time starts now. Okay. So your time started now. Okay, so your time up now. Here I have got answer from Pawan 60, Karan 60, Rani 60, Pooja 60, okay, Shruti 60, very good. So many of you have already given the answer. Guys, don't give the answer, don't type continuously, otherwise we will have to put one timer here, right? So let me see reaction. Okay, now so let us try to solve it here. The sum of the numbers of, so first we will do by the process and then we will do it using option attack, and then we will do it using option attack, and here we will do with the process. The sum of number of boys and girls, so number of boys and girls in a school is 150, correct? Okay, if the number of boys is x, number of boys is equals to x, then the number of girls will be what? So the number of girls will be, see, boys is x, so always boys only will have x, girls will have present. Okay, I mean y, z, p, q, r, s, t. So 150 minus of x. See, boys is x, so if you'll keep boys is x, so girls will be 150 minus x. Now see, In aptitude, no, first you read the question, write the data which is given, then only you will be able to solve it easily. Okay, then they are telling if the number of boys is x, the number of girls becomes, so the number of girls becomes, the number of girls is what? So number of girls is 150 minus x. So number of girls becomes x percentage of the total number of a student. So x percentage of the total number of a student is what? 150. Okay, correct. Now 150 minus of x will be equal to x divided by 100. Percentage is 100 into 150. 53s are 52s are correct. Okay, cross multiplication. So 150 into 2 is 300 minus 2x will be equal to 3x. So 2x plus 3x, 2x will go that side. 5x will be equal to 300 and then x will be equal to 60. X will be equal to 60. So we got x is equal to 60. They are asking the number of boys. Number of boys is x. 60 will become the correct answer. And many of you had already given the correct answer. That's great. So many of you have given the correct answer. That's really great. Now we will be moving towards the next problem. And hope you are enjoying the session. Please don't forget to like the video. Yaar, I will bring so many live sessions for you. Trust me. Okay. Now, so even tomorrow Python coding is there, vowel ability, everything will be coming on YouTube as well, but in limited number, that is for sure, because teachers are busy taking classes in TCS NQT crash course. Your time has already started. 1 minute. This is a good question. Okay, so time up now. Okay, sorry, I did not tell you option attack. So let me, I forgot to tell you the option attack. Okay, so let us see here how you will be able to solve this using option attack. But I did not get any answer for this particular question. Okay, so here, now what they are telling, boys and girls, the sum of number of boys and girls in the school is 150 and the number of boys is what? So I am taking number of boys is equals to 60. The number of girls will become what? Equal to 90. Now what they are telling, so the number of girls becomes, so the number of girls is equals to x percent, right? X percent of the total number of a student. X is nothing but 60% of 150. So 15 6 will be what? 90. That's all done. Okay, if you will take any other option, it will not work. Like let's say B is equals to 25. Then what will become the number of girls? So 150 minus 25 is 125. Now the number of girls, that is 125, is equals to X percent, that means 25% of 150. So 150, 25% will never be equal to 125. So like this, if you are not able to frame a equation, don't frame. Who is asking you to frame? Options are there. Why options are there? So that you can make the question easy. Clear? Okay. Next problem. This is a very good question. Okay. And some of you have given the answer. Rani has given 25%. Swagat Mohapatra 35%. Okay. Raju Kiladi. Bhai Khiladi likho yaar. Kiladi kya hai? 25%. Okay. Now here you see. So A monthly salary is 20% lower than B monthly salary. So B monthly salary I will assume as 100. अरे सर क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Why are you assuming 100? क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपको? You tell me. I don't have any problem. I saw the options in percentage. When the option is in terms of percentage, then my problem is easy. So B I assumed 100. A is 20% lower than B. So A will become 80. A will become 80. Correct? Now, Now they are telling C monthly salary is 56.25% is greater than A salary. अरे सर प्रॉब्लम तो इधर ही आ रहा है, प्रॉब्लम इधर ही आ रहा है. See, there is two ways. One is you will be getting on-screen calculator in TCS, right? On-screen calculator in TCS, so use that. Okay. Otherwise, see, C is what? 56.25% is greater than A salary. So A is nothing but 80 and 56.25 percentage. That is percentage cheat sheet. Okay. So it is nothing but equal to 9 by 16. So 56.25 percentage is 9 by 16. So 9 by 16, that means here 5 times 45. That means C is 45 greater than A. So 80 plus 45 is equals to 125. Huh? Simple. One step, only one step I have done. How much percentage is B salary less than C salary? So how much percent? For some time you forget that bhaiya there is a percent. For some time you forget that there is percent. By how much is B salary less than C salary? So I'm sorry. So sir, B salary is nothing but 25 less than C. B salary is nothing but 25 less than C. Now you think there is percent. By how much percentage is B salary less than C salary? B salary is getting compared with whom? C salary. Whenever comparison happens, that value comes down. I am Narendra Modi. What I will tell? Rahul Gandhi does not do anything. Congress, okay, he only keep doing something negative or some. I mean, I will talk all bad things about him. Okay, so whomever I will compare myself, I will put that person down. So here B is getting compared with C. So put C down into. So this is 5 times and this is 20 times. So your answer will be 20%. That means option B is the correct answer for this particular problem. Okay. So very good, Aditya, 20%. Okay. Some people have already given the correct answer. It's not 25%, it's 20%. So I could see many people have problem with application form. I will make a video on that. But let me know if it is clear. Guys, please comment if this is clear to you, because this was a good question and I hope you have understood. Please let me know in the comment section that it is clear. We will move towards the next problem, and also don't forget to like the video. Your one like will definitely motivate us a lot, and I will be bringing more and more live sessions for you where you discuss face to face with me. Understand, this is not a simple problem, right? The data, right, 56.25 is making it little complicated, and then the percentage concept, but we have done it. Now question number 6. Question number 6, you see, looks like the bigger data, but let's see how many of you are able to solve. I will start the timer here now. Come on. Minimum 500 likes I want for the next class. If I get 500 likes, then definitely tomorrow, not tomorrow, but there'll be live classes soon. So your time has started now. Okay. So your time up now. No loss. Somebody is telling no loss. Somebody is telling no loss, no loss, no loss. Arey bhaiya, there should be some loss and there should be some profit. Now let's see. Shweta is very expert in bargaining. Girls, no, they will be usually very good at bargaining. Okay. Once she went to a nearby shop. I am very bad at bargaining. I cannot bargain. So that's the reason, in the courses also, I will not keep any discount. Okay. So I will keep the price less, but bargaining and all I do not do. So that's the reason. When Sweta asked the price of a shampoo sachet, the shopkeeper told her the price increasing by 15% of the original cost. But Sweta insisted to decrease the price by 15%. So the shopkeeper sold it by decreasing the price by 15%. What is the loss? What is the profit or loss of the shopkeeper? Without even solving, I can answer this question. Now you ask me how. See, you can never get profit from a girl who is going to bargain. Okay. So anyway, jokes apart. So anyway, that answer is also loss is 2.25%. So there is one simple formula, if you remember: a plus b plus ab by 100. Okay. So first increasing means plus 15. Okay. Then decreasing means minus 15. Okay. Minus 15 plus ab. So plus 15 into minus 15 and divided by 100. Now plus and minus cancelled. 15 into 15 is minus 225, because here minus is there, by 100. That means minus 2.25%. The minus indicates there is a loss, and loss of 2.25%. The people who said there is no loss, there will be a loss if you don't put effort now. Okay. Now let us try to understand. Sir, 15% profit, 15% loss, it should be zero, no? What the hell you are teaching, sir? I will tell you. Suppose the shampoo price was 100 rupees. Now, as soon as the shopkeeper saw Sweta coming, shopkeeper knew that Sweta is going to bargain. So shopkeeper put it 15% profit. I will sell it for 115. Okay, very good. Sweta came. Arey, you look very handsome. Your shop is very nice. Okay, they know to bargain. Shopkeeper, minus 15%. Immediately minus 15%. To us, you will, if you want to take, you take, otherwise go away. Okay, so 115. Now 15% discount means Sweta has to pay only 85%. If you will do the calculation will be 115 into 85. So 5 5s are 25 and 57. Okay, 8 5s are 40 and this is 92. So 97.75. That means 100 rupees was the price, and finally Sweta bought for 97.25. That means Sweta, वो चूना लगा दिया. So Sweta did a chuna of 2.25 rupees. The shopkeeper, because of her smile, shopkeeper is going to lose 2.25%. That's all. It is done. I hope it is clear to everyone. If it is clear, please comment it is clear and ठोको like, दबा दो like button हो. So that like button दबा दो. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay. Okay. So 200 likes is there. Another 300 likes till the session gets over. Next is a very simple question. 1 minute will be more than sufficient for this. Let us start with the timer. Chalo bhai, come on. Okay, so your time is over now, and let me see how many of you have solved. So again, how many of you are there? Please explain clearly. Somebody is asking, please explain clearly. Okay, so tell me, please explain clearly. So Tejasri, sir, question not clear. Okay, question not clear. Okay, so I have written here. So if the length of a rectangle is increased by 20% and its breadth is decreased by 20%, then what is the change in area? So the length of the rectangle is increased. So length is increased by 20% and breadth is decreased by 20%. So what is the change in the area? So somebody is telling it was not clear. So please let me know what it is not clear so I can explain you. Okay. Question not visible. Array are not visible clearly right side. Cannot view the questions. Okay. Okay. Sorry. That's okay. No problem. Now see. So if the length of a rectangle is increased by 20% and its breadth is increased by 20%, then what is the change in the area? So now friends, this is the same as the previous problem. We use the formula what? A plus B plus AB by 100. So A plus B plus AB by 100. Same thing. I will tell you in multiple ways you can solve it, but let us try to understand. So here 20, so length is increased and then breadth is decreased, plus 20 and into minus 20 divided by 100. So this and this cancelled. 400 by 100, minus sign is there, that means minus 4%. So basically the area, their area will be decreased by 4%. See, one of the Maha Anubhav, what is that term? So has given the answer does not change. Okay, that is the wrong answer. Now let us see. So length and breadth, okay, is nothing but equal to area of rectangle. I assumed 10 length and 10 breadth, area will become 100. Sir, what is your problem? Now you're assuming 10 and 10, because it is always, see, always you have to keep in mind, no, this 100, right? Always you have to keep in mind, if your base is 100, then easy to calculate the percentage. So now what happened? Length increased by 20%. So 10, 20% will be 2. So length became 12. Breadth, it is 10 decreased by 20%. So 10 minus 2 will be 8. 12 8 is 96. That means there is a 4% decrement in the area. There is a 4% decrement in the area. So either you use this or use this, you should be able to solve the question. I'm sorry I wrote the question, but still this part, no, it was hidden and I could not see. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, friends, 230 like. I want 500 so that I can bring another session for you. So please keep liking the session. Now moving towards the next problem. Hello. So next problem, question number 8. This is a good question, but not difficult. Level 2 problems you can say. So not very, easy, not very tough. But TCS will have more tougher questions also. That also we will discuss. First clear your basics here and then we will see. Everyone please like the video so that I can bring more and more sessions for you, live sessions for you. Your time has started. Like karo bhai. Mahan Audu. Okay, another 10 second. Yes, Harshal. So that is what is happening. So 300 people are watching, but they are not liking. So much effort goes into that. Okay. So let us try to solve it here. And let me see how many of you have solved. So the image hide the question. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so this question, let us try to see. I did not get any answer. Thanks a lot, guys. You did not use chat GPT. Okay, so in Mr. Okay, in Mr. Chidambaram family, the ratio of expense to saving, so expense to saving ratio is given. Expense to saving ratio is 5:3. Okay, so friends, in whenever you have some data in ratio and proportion, no, and if you want to write down in terms of value, so whenever you have some data in ratio and proportion, and if you want to write down in terms of value, then just multiply with a variable 5x 3x. Even I had x earlier, so I am using x. Okay, now, so one more thing, suppose if you are earning 100 rupees is your income, spending 20 rupees and saving, or like this, you 80 rupees you are spending and 20 rupees you are saving, so your expenditure and plus saving will be your income, correct, will be your income. So here expenditure savings, I can say here income. What will be my income? Sir, income will be 8x. So 5x plus 3x will be 8x. As soon as I wrote down in terms of value, 5x plus 3x became 8x. Correct? Okay. Now you see, his expenses increased by 60%. So this is the new expense. Okay. His expense increased by 60%. So what will be 60% of 5? Sir, 60% of 5 is 3. I don't sit and calculate, man. Now you are not a kid. Okay. So 0, 0, 5, 6 are 30 by 10. 30 by 10 will be 3. 30 by 10 will be 3. So now your expenses increased by 60% and your income increased by 25%. This is your income. 25% will be what? Sir, 25% is what? 25% means 25 by 100. That is 1 by 4. So 8x and 1 by 4 is what? 2x. That means it increased by 2x and now it is 10x. Understanding, right? 1 by 1. Very simple way. And thus there is a deficit. Deficit means kami, less. Deficit of rupees 3,500 in the saving. So saving is 3x and now there is a deficit of 3,500, means savings decreased by 3,500 because your expenditure has increased. Your expenditure has increased. So now this is your new expenditure, saving and income. And you know very well, my dear friends, that sir, expenditure and plus savings will be my income. So 8x plus 3x minus 3,500 will be equal to 10x. Okay. Now 8 plus 3 is 11x. 11 minus 10 will be x. X is equals to 3,500. Okay. They are asking, so what is the increased income of Chidambaram family? Bhaiya, increased income of Chidambaram family is 10x. X is 3,500. It will become 35,000. That's all is the end of the question, right? Okay, is it clear? Guys, if you have doubt, you ask, but try to understand what I am trying to explain you. I will make you, okay, in this live classes, no, I'll make you to think. You have to think how we can make the problem easier, how we can break down simple to difficult questions, everything we are going to do. Okay, I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Okay, now let me move towards the next problem, question number 9. And now I am going to give you 1 minute of the time. So okay, cool. So let me start the timer. Okay, the time is up, and let's see how many of you are able to solve. So S Kumar 20, Sahil Verma 20, Rohit Misra B 20, 20, 20. Many people are giving the 20 is answer. Very good, guys. So let's see how we can solve it easily. Okay. Now, please try to understand. Here you might get little bit confused, but you have to tell yourself, no, this is a new way of doing it. Let us learn. So the price of sugar is increased by 25%. 25% is what? So 25% is 25 by 100. Percentage means 1 by 100. So it is 1 by 4. Okay. Now, the price of sugar is increased by 25%. That means the price earlier was 4 rupees. Now it is increased by 1. So now it is increased by 1. So it will become 5. Earlier the price was 4. Now it became 5. 25%, 25 by 100, 1 by 4. It was 4 earlier. Now it is 5. Correct? Okay. Very good. One more thing, friends. If suppose, okay, the sugar per kg is 20 rupees. This I am giving one example. Don't relate with the question. Don't relate with the question. So suppose 20 rupees per kg is the sugar. So this is my price. And per month, if you are consuming, per month, if you are consuming 50 kg of sugar, okay, then what will be the total price? Sir, 100. 2 into 5 is 10,000. Okay, 1000 is equals to expenditure. Do we agree with this? See, in maths, no, there are formulas, but remember as much less as possible. Don't try to remember everything. And I know many of you will also come and tell, "Arey sir, these are the easy problem. It does not even come in the exam." Friends, these are medium level of the problem. With the help of small tricks, okay, and the way I am solving, I am making it easy. Otherwise, what you can do, you can solve it by yourself or give it to some of your friend, and then you see how much time they are taking to solve the problem if they are not using Chat GPT. Okay. Now, so this was the price earlier, and now this is the price. Now what they are telling, see, the sugar price is increased, but the family is not going to increase their expenses. Okay, they will not increase their expenses. They want this expense should be same. So they are asking, then the family will have to reduce the consumption of the sugar by what percentage? There is only one option. If the sugar price is increased, right? So what you have to do, you have to spend more money into it. If you want the same quantity of 50 kg sugar, no, but you don't want to spend more, then you reduce your consumption. That is the only way. Now 4 to 5 we have written, you write here 5 to 4. Sir, आप पूरा का पूरा पगला गए हो sir. This is price, and now I am saying this is my consumption. So earlier you were having 5 kg, now you eat only 4 kg. Why did you write this? Because price into consumption will be 20, and here also it is 20. Your expenditure has to be same. To keep the expenditure same, I did like this. Now you also do every time like this, right? So that your expenditure remains same. There is no further things you have to do. Okay. Now, so your consumption was 5 earlier, now it is 4. That means it is reduced by 1. Okay, it is reduced by 1. From where it is reduced? From 5 it is reduced. Multiply by 100 to calculate the percentage, and this 20% will become your answer. So option B will become the correct answer for this problem. Done and dusted. 300 likes and another 200 likes. Till then I finish the session, and trust me, you will be having more such must session live here. Okay, clear? Let me know if it is clear to everyone, guys, because next question you are only going to solve, I will not solve. Similar pattern. Okay, I hope it is clear for everyone. Everyone, it is clear. Shall I move ahead? Shall I move ahead? Done? Okay. This is the question only you are going to solve. I am not going to solve, because it is same question, same pattern, you should be able to solve. Okay, so your time is up now, and many of you have already given the answer option D as the correct answer. Sir, you are very food. अरे भाई खाओगे क्या? हरीलाल चंदानी. Okay, so let us see. Price of the milk is increased by 20%. Okay, milk is a very important gradient. At every age, we need milk. Okay, so this is 1 by 5. That means from 5, the price has increased to 6. Correct? So this is my price and this is my price. Now, to keep the expenditure unchanged, the present consumption is. So if you want to keep the consumption same, then what you have to do? You have to write 6 5 so that it becomes 30 30. Now from 6, it has to be 5. What is the difference, sir? It is 1 by 16 into 100. 1 by 16 is nothing but 16.66. Option D will become the correct answer. Once you know the concept, it will not even take 1 minute to solve the question. Okay, the last 5 questions of the day. I hope it is clear, right guys? You at least comment that yes sir, clear, done and dusted. You can move towards the next problem, right? Okay, so sir, now please tell us some TCS problem. So these are the previous question of TCS when the exam used to be online. Online, remote. Now I am giving you 1 minute of the time, and let's see how many of you are able to solve. Okay, come on. Okay, so let me solve now. Okay guys, come on, let's see. 325 likes, super. Okay, so here Mukesh bought a room heater during the Diwali sale at a 20% discount on the selling price. So what is his profit percentage? So basically this is also form of percentage only. If you want to write down in terms of percentage, it will become 30.75, 31.25. Okay, if you divide by percentage is 1 by 100, so this will become like this only. Okay, 31.75. That means I am going to assume the value of my choice. Always 50, 100, and according to options, you need to assume the value. So now let us selling price is 100. So let us assume selling price is 100. Sir, I want to assume 200. Assume no, who is stopping you? Okay, fine. So during the Diwali sale at 20% discount. So Mukesh bought at 20% discount. That means Mukesh paid only 80% of its price. After using it for a month, he sold it at 5% profit. So now Mukesh is going to sell at 5% profit on the selling price. Selling price was 100. Now Mukesh is going to sell it for 105 rupees. Obviously, after 3 months, if you are selling, you will sell it for some profit. So Mukesh bought in. So this is done now. Mukesh bought in 80, sold in what? 105. So basically, if you'll see what is the profit, sir, the profit is nothing but 25 rupees. Now you have to calculate percentage profit. Okay, so percentage profit will be equal to profit, and always percentage profit will be calculated on cost price. See, by mistake also you don't write selling price here. You only think. If you don't know the cost price, I told you this pen I am going to sell in 150 rupees. Tell me the profit. Now you will tell, sir, I don't know the CP. How I will tell you what will be the profit? So that is the reason always in case of like calculating percentage profit or percentage loss, here we write what? Cost price. Don't remember. You have to calculate percentage of profit. Okay. Profit. Fine. Okay. Then CP or SP. CP or SP. Arey bhaiya, if you don't know CP, how SP will come? CP, right? Into 100. Okay. This is developed in online study for you. Center of excellence. Okay. This is not developed anywhere else. Correct? Okay. We have not imported it from somewhere else. We have our own development. We have spent 350 rupees to develop all this. Okay, cool. Now here profit is 25, cost price is 80 into 100, 5 5s and 5 16s. So 500 by 16. If you will try, or you can also do like this, 4 4s and 425 times. So 125 by 4. Sir, 4 3s are 12. Okay. 4 1s are 4 and 0.25. Okay, so 31.25 or 31.25 percentage or 0.3125, both are same. Look for the option. Bhaiya, option B will be the correct answer. That's all. We are done. Okay, cool. Chalo bhai, make it at least 500 likes for today. Okay, cool. I hope everybody understood. Please let me know if it is clear. Now moving towards question number, basically it is 11, but ignore. Okay, in the beginning I had told you that percentage will be used in simplification, percentage will be used in ratio proportion, percentage will be used in data interpretation, percentage will be used in time and work, percentage will be used in SIS, CI, percentage will be used everywhere. Without percentage there is no aptitude. Now this is one question from time and work. I am giving you 1 minute of time and let's see how many of you are able to do it. Chalo bhai. Okay, your time is done. Let's see. How we can solve this. So I have got answer from Harshit Rathore 18, Alone is 18, Kamya Jain is A, Rise of Villagers, Rise of Town. Okay, 18. Manoj is Okay, Pawan is telling practice question. This is in a TCS exam for practice. Okay, 18 days. Okay, friends, one more time I wanted to tell you because somebody was telling, sir, how to practice for coding. So, bhaiya, if you want to practice for coding, no, we have already, brought this DSA white book. So, 800 plus pages and around 200 questions are there. And TCS roadmap also daily we are solving PYQ, like how you are seeing this session once in a week or something like that. Daily we are having mock test with video solution. Marathon classes is ongoing, and that is the reason you see a lot of results on our channel. Okay, because here TCS NQT crash course we have given our heart and sweat, we have given our blood to this TCS NQT crash course, and that is the reason you see the result, and you will be keep seeing the updated contents and more quality content inside the course and more classes. Okay, anyway, chalo bhai. Now question number 10. So what they're telling, A can do a job in 26 days. A, so this is days and this is efficiency. I just wanted to know from you. So if you solve 5 questions in a day, or if you clean 5 chairs in a day, then in 10 days how many chairs you will clean? 50 chairs. Now cleaning chair is what? Cleaning chair is a job. If you clean the chair, somebody might give you 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 15 rupees, okay, whatever it is. So you are efficient to clean only 5 chairs. After cleaning 5 chairs, हो गया सर, मैं इससे ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकता, मैं इससे ज़्यादा नहीं, I cannot do more than that. So this is your efficiency, जब तक कि ना हो जाए. And number of days, this happens in other scenarios also, but I am talking about here efficiency. Okay, days. So 5 into 10 days. Okay, so efficiency into days, total work, total chair you are able to clean is 50. So basically I say it is Mountain Dew. So days into efficiency is equal to work. Always keep in mind. So A can do a job in 26 days. B is 30% more efficient than A. Are bhaiya, A efficiency is not known. No problem. See, assume 10. Sir, I want to assume 100. Assume no, whatever you want to assume, you assume. No problem, you will get the answer. Then B efficiency will be 30% means 10, 30% is 3. Days is not given. But we know days into efficiency will be work, and always work done will be same. Do the same job, same work. So work done will be same. So 26 into 10 will be equal to x into 13. So 13 twos are, and x will be 20. X will be 20 days. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. Is it clear for everyone? Please let me know if it is clear and it is done. Please like the session. I want at least 500 like for the next session, I'm telling you. See, because if you guys are getting benefited, then only, it 1 hour or more than 1 hour of classes, making videos, it's really very tough, I'm telling you. Okay, I hope it is clear. Please let me know in the comment section. And now we will be moving towards the question number 12. This is very simple question of data interpretation. So question number 12 here, numbering का MB हो गया है, but that's okay. Your time starts now. Percentage will trouble you in data interpretation also. Let's see. Okay. See, when I am asking, is it clear? Only one person is telling yes, sir. Guys, if it is not clear, please ask other people also. Tell me if it is clear or not. I want to know from everyone that you are able to understand or not, the session is clear or not. Okay, cool. Now here if you'll see, the following bar graph shows the production of iron in a company in 10,000 tons over the years. So what was the percentage increase in the production of iron in 2015 as compared to 2011? Now 2015 is here and 2011 is here. Here if you'll see, this data is 55. Here if you'll see, this data is 35. Correct? Okay. So from here to here, what is a percentage increment? I told you, for some time you forget that there is a percentage. So what was the increase in the production of iron in 15 as compared to 2011? Sir, it is 20. Sir, it is 20. Very good, it is 20. Then I said you that think there is a percentage. Now, what was the percentage increase in the production? Okay, compared will come down. So 2011 is what? Sir, 35 into 100. So this will be 5 7 ja and 5 4 ja. 400 by 7, that means it will start with 5. 7 5s are 35 and then 7 7 ja 49. So 57% option A will become the correct answer for the particular problem. Very good. So Rohit Mishra, okay, Ashok, Charan, Swagat Mohapatra. See, you guys are good, okay, there is no doubt. You guys are good actually. Good at study. Even when you start solving, you solve it, you understand it. The only thing is you need little bit of practice. That is what we are going to do. So level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 problems we will do. But let us know if the sessions are clear to you, you are able to understand, and we will go ahead. I think I need to compromise with 400 likes only. Today 500 likes will not come, but that is okay. Okay, now moving towards the next problem. Chalo bhai. So this is question number 13. So this is a good question. Let us try to solve it. 1 minute of the time is given to you. So what is the cube root of b by a? So here you might, if you are not able to see, so what is the cube root of b by a? What is the cube root of? So the question they are asking is, what is the cube root of b by a? Okay, what is the cube root of b by a is the question. Cube root. 3a plus 19 percentage of 22225 is equals to 890 is equals to b minus 11 percentage of 500. So what is the cube root of b by a? Okay, chalo bhai. So many of you have not solved it. No problem, time is up. Let me try to solve it here. What they are telling, this particular is equals to 890, this also is equals to 890. So first one I will take 3a plus 19 percentage is nothing but 1 by 100, always remember, into 2225 is equals to 890. Correct? Okay. Now, so 5 20 times and 5 4 ja 20, 5 4 ja 20 and 5 9 ja or 5 5 ja, 5 5 ja is 25. Okay, now this is nothing but 2 times. 2 into 45 is 90, 2 into 4 is 8. So 3a plus 19 will be equal to 40. Now 3a will be equal to 21. and A will be equal to, right? A will be equal to 7. Now B, sir, B minus 11 percentage will be 1 by 100 is equals to 500. Sorry, into 500 will be equal to 890. Now 2020 cancel, 5 17 times is 85 and 5 8 is 40. So B will be 178 plus 11, which is nothing but 981. Okay, now I need to find out cube root of, I need to find out, I don't know if you're able to see or not. So now I need to find out cube root of, okay, here 189, okay, and A is what? A is, my dear friend, 7. So 3, 7 2s are 14 and 7 7 ja. So cube root of 27 will be 3. So 3 will be the correct answer for this problem. This was not a tough problem. This was an easy problem only. You could have easily done this. Okay. Okay. Is it clear for everyone? Done? Please let me know if you understood or not. Please write it down. Please write it down. Clear for everyone? Done? Right. Now moving towards question number 14. Okay, I hope it is clear. This was okay. So okay, this was the last question for today, and here maybe you will not be able to see. This is 37%. Okay, this is 37%. So a company was assigned a project for creating a railway link for a certain stretch in difficult terrain and is engaged 74 workers for the task. After the passage of 46 2/3% of the allocated time, constructions of only 37% of the stretch could be completed. How many more workers should be engaged so as to enable the company to complete the project within the allocated time? Okay, so let me start the timer here. Okay. Okay, anyone? So anyone who are able to solve this? 1.5 minutes I have given. Guys, please like 500 like, and definitely another session I'll be coming up soon. 34. Very good. Someone has given 34 as the answer. Now let's see. So here you have to use the calculator. Without calculator it will be difficult to solve. Okay, come on. So a company was assigned for a project. So this is a time and work problem, the first thing. So this is a time and work question. Okay, there should not be any doubt. So a company was assigned a project for creating a railway link for a certain stretch in difficult terrain, and it engaged 74 workers. So friends, basically there, a company has to create a railway link. Okay, so it started with, please try to understand this question, give your complete focus on this question. This is a standard problem and you need to understand how to solve, because this is, you can say, level 3 problem, difficult level of the problem, because first you need to understand and then you need to solve. So a company was assigned a project for creating railway link for a certain stretch. They started with 74 workers. Okay, and they had 100% of work. Total work will be what? 100% work. But what happened? They were able to complete only 37% of work. Okay, that means 63% of work was pending. Correct? First you understand the question and then we will try to solve it. You understand the question, then we will try to solve it. 63% of the work was pending. Now, after the passes of 46 2 by 3 percentage, 46 2 by 3 percentage is what? 46 2 by 13 percentage. So 13 into 46 plus 2 by 13 percentage. So this is nothing but 600 by 13, and percentage will be 1 by 100. So this is nothing but 6 by 13. So the meaning of this means total 13 days was assigned to them. Total 13, so try to understand in this way. Total 13 days was assigned to them, and here they worked for 6 days. Okay, now, so what happened? 74 workers worked for 6 days and they are able to do only 37% of the work. Now, the government got tension now. Arey bhai, now in 6 days they have done only 37% of work. In another 7 days, how can they complete 63% of the work? Then what is the solution? Then government said, you take 74 plus X worker, no problem, but in the remaining 7 days, I need 63% of the remaining work should be done. Now we know M1 D1 by W1, right, is equals to M2 D2 by W2. Correct? Okay. So 74 here, I will use this space now because I will not be able to write. So 74 workers, okay, worked for 6 days and they completed 37% of the work. Now 74 X more workers is deployed, okay, into how much work days? 7 days, and total work remaining is 63. 37 into 2 will be 74. Now 12 into 63 will be equal to 74 into 7 plus 7x. Okay, now, so this calculation I need to do. I will use the calculator. Even in the exam, you use the calculator. So here 12 into 63 minus 74 into 7, 238 is equals to 7x. So 7 3s are 21 and 7 4s are, so x is 34. They asked, so as to enable the company to complete, okay, so how many more workers should be engaged? So another 34 worker you need to deploy so that the work will be completed on time. Now please let me know what is your doubt. I will clarify your doubt, and then only, see, these are the actually questions, like the tough level of the questions. For an advanced section, we can prepare. This is already a question asked in the TCS examination, and 28 is the wrong answer, 20 is also the wrong answer. Okay, so here the answer will be 34, and technical person had given Nitin, who was telling that Nitin was telling it's very easy question. I did not even pick pen and paper to solve this question. Solved all except this question. Now his answer I am awaiting. Okay, but other people, please let me know what is the confusion here. I will just keep myself little away from this. Let me know what is the doubt, and then I can explain you once again. Oh yeah, so correct. So I forgot here. So the calculation can be little more this thing. I'm sorry. So 7 9 ja will be 63. So now 12 into 9 is 108. I am very sorry. So I could not see. Okay, so x will be 34, right? So that calculation is not required. Calculator is not required here. I forgot to do this. So this is a very simple question now, because this I had missed it and I had to use the calculator. Explain this question again. How to form the see, the equation is m1 d1 by w1, that is a formula. So people are telling, sir, explain once more. I will explain once more, don't worry about it. Let's see. So what they are telling, first you see me, okay, and then try to understand. So I am a company, okay, I'm suppose a government, I'm government, and I give a work to company that 100% work you have to complete, and I want in 13 days. The company said, okay, I will do it. Now the company deployed 74 members, 74 workers, okay, and company is seeing out of total 13 days, after 6 days, company is telling that only 37% of the work is completed. Then I am the government, right? So I said, array, in 6 days with 74 workers, you completed only 37% of work. Then 63% of the work is still remaining, because total is 100%. How you in 7 days you will be able to do? Not possible. You deploy more person and complete this work. I don't want anything. Correct? Okay. Then I know, or we know, there is a formula in time on work. m1 d1 by w1 is equals to m2 d2 by w2. So 74 workers, 6 days, 37% work. Now I am going to bring more people into it, so that in 7 days we will be able to finish the 63% of the work. After calculation we got x is equals to 34. That means that 34 work has to be completed. So explain the formula. See, explain the formula means this is m1 d1 h1 by w1 is equals to m2 d2 h2 by w2. So if 5 men can work for 10 days, per day 5 hours, they can complete 20 work. So 10 men working 5 days, 3 hours per day, how much work they will be able to do? So this is a time and work, very basic formula. MDH, m1 d1 h1 by w1. Here h1 hours are not given, so we have not used it. We directly used m1 d1 by w1. So this is a very basic formula of time and work. Okay, so guys, today till here only, and I wanted to know from all of you, so how was the classes? Did you like the class? Were you able to cover the question which you wanted? So basic is clear, probably mid-level of the questions we have done. So please let me know if it was clear to you, if the session was useful, and please do like, so that I can bring more and more session. So waiting for your comment, and then we will end the session. Okay, so please let us know. Waiting for your comment in the comment section, so that I can bring more and more sessions for you. How did get days, sir? Time is given in that question, no? 46 2 by 13. Time is given. So that after passing this much of time, so that is 6 by 13. So you can think of total 13 days is there, and 6 days you have already worked. Remaining 7 days you need to work. Next live session we will be doing based on your comment. Okay. Anyway, daily we are doing this PYQs. So now you know how we will be teaching you in this crash courses. So this is what we are doing. Day wise plan is there, week wise plan is there until your examination, and this crash course is definitely going to help you a lot. There is no doubt. Okay, and more and more session will be keep coming. Please don't worry about it. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. Okay. Give PDF of important formulas. Anna, super Anna. Thank you, bro. So thanks for all your love and support, guys. So we got around 450 likes. So I will definitely bring live session soon in the next week. Tomorrow Python live sessions are there. So please do subscribe to the YouTube channel so that whatever lives we are doing, right, so that you will be able to see. Yesterday also we did a live. Tomorrow also we are going to do a live. Okay. So please do subscribe to the channel so that you will be getting all the live sessions. If you have any queries, you can ask for 5 minutes. Can I buy TCS NQT crash course? Is it worth? And is there every old paper is there? See, TCS NQT crash course is definitely worth. There is no doubt. You should not even ask, right? See, already you see DSA white book we brought 1 and 2, and all previous year questions means now when the exam started happening offline, no, that questions definitely will not be there, right? Because the thing is, when exams are happening online from the center, how will you get the question? So how to log in and what to read? Okay. TCS NQT 2025 asked question, 2024 asked questions, recorded videos, quant reasoning, verbal coding, live classes recording, practice set, mock test series, English communication, AI tools, live classes recording, old batches. So everything is already covered. You do not even have to ask. And more importantly, that DSA book which you are seeing is very, very important. Go for it. Okay. So this DSA book in all 3 languages, C++, Java, Python. So in all 3 languages we have covered it. Next session will be happening soon. Please don't any question. Okay. So there are many students who are facing problem with do more problem on aptitude cause compared to reading. The aptitude is tough for us, sir. Okay, fine. So many people are TCS crash course classes and PDFs are for permanent. Yes, till then the validity is there. So which one sort is for aptitude? Okay, so next step, portal shows track my application not showing. There is some problem with the TCS website actually. So please wait, you still have time, so that we will see. Please don't worry about it. Okay, so there is some problem with the TCS portal. It will get resolved. I want to learn coding in TCS crash course, sir. Everything is there. Yes, bro. So in TCS crash course, we have coding in C++, Java. Everywhere we are doing in 3 languages. So C++, Java and Python. So based on, see, topics also already, trees, graph, everything we have covered. So TCS previous year question, everything we have covered in this particular thing. So there is no doubt that you will be getting each and everything. Okay. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video, next classes. Till then, please take care of yourself. Tomorrow we have Python live classes at 8 PM by Priyansi ma'am. Don't miss it. Anything else? No other questions, right? I want to learn. Okay, that I answered. So I have answered all the questions. Thank you, sir. Sir, TCS में एक क्वेश्चन में फंक्शन एंड एक क्वेश्चन टू फुली सॉल्व करना है ना? सर, TCS में एक क्वेश्चन में फंक्शन एंड एक क्वेश्चन को फुली सॉल्व करना है ना? हाँ, एक one questions you need to solve completely. That will be better. Apply for drive still shows batches. Okay, apply with college ID. Always apply with your personal email ID. Don't apply with college ID, because college will terminate your email ID after some time, and then you will not be able to get the communication from TCS. This I have told you earlier also. I'm about to take it now. The doubt us mm. Okay, so you can take it now. There is no problem. Like, do we have to follow crash course or your live classes will be happening once in a week. So till your exam, some 3-4 live classes will be there. That's all. Daily classes will not be there. So course you have to follow, and whenever the live is happening, you have to follow, because live will not be happening always. Sir, yes, if you are solving 5 test cases also, then also you will be getting the marks. That you don't have to ask. So if you are solving 5 test cases in any of the question, then also you will be getting the. Any hack method is there to pass all the test cases? There is no hack method. Sir, if you solve 50-70 questions from your seat, it is sufficient. You have to solve all the questions from the seat. This seat, no. You have to solve all the questions. I will suggest you have time, enough time. There are some questions which are very easy. First you do that, and then you solve the difficult problem. Solve as much as possible. Solve the previous questions first, and then you look at the other things. Okay. Admit card will be released 3 days or 4 days before your exam date. Now exam is starting from 10th of March onwards. So we don't know the exact date, which date exam will be there. It might be on 11th March also, it might be on 12th March also. So that we really don't know. Python live classes related to TCS only. Yes, Python live classes related to TCS only will be happening tomorrow. Tomorrow Python live classes with TCS only. What happens if we solve even one test case in coding? One test case if you solve, then nothing happens. You will not be able to clear the cutoff. So you will not be able to clear the cutoff. That's what. What is a DSA white sheet, sir? So DSA white book is of 800 pages. Java, Python, C++, three languages we have done the questions, and that is available in three languages. So here we have covered like how to take input in C++, Java, Python. Okay, arrays question, string question, sliding window, linked list, bit manipulation, backtracking, binary search, binary tree problem, story based previous year question, stack queues and dequeues problem, graph problems. That is the part 2. So we have covered the complete coding sections in the DSA white book, which will be helpful for your exam. Where is the DSA white sheet? So the DSA white sheet will be in the TCS NQT crash course. You see, so DSA white book part 1, DSA white book part 2. So it will be available inside the course. Okay, so I will just mention here. So inside TCS NQT crash course, DSA sheet is site crash. Okay, thank you guys, take care. We'll meet tomorrow. Zoom classes and live classes are different. Yes, Zoom classes and live classes will be definitely different. It won't be same.